Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Derek Ripplinger. I help local businesses generate leads and sales with online advertising. I've been doing it for about 4 years now and have helped clients in industries from real estate, mortgage brokers, chiropractors, doctor offices, roofing, pretty much any service-based business you can think of. I wanted to quickly go over how to generate leads with Facebook ads as well as get sales and appointments. It really comes down to four things. So steps to be successful with Facebook ads. First, number one, you got to choose the right audience. Facebook has really strong targeting capabilities. You can target down to interests that people have. By age, by gender, by location. It's really powerful. Facebook has so much data. I say, most people think of Facebook as a social media site, but I think of it more as a hidden marketing platform. Like I said, first things, you got to choose the right audience. Second, and honestly, I think this is what it totally comes down to, is creating an offer. I typically call it a jaw-dropping offer, JDO. When you think about it, people go, to social media to actually, look and connect with their friends. They don't really go there to search for businesses or deals. So when you think about it, if you have an ad, what worked 10 years ago, where you could just throw an ad up and, people would click because it was new, doesn't work anymore. You have to have some kind of offer to get people to click and act. So things that work really well, free back adjustment for a chiropractor. There's a few more examples right there for chiropractors, free 15-minute CrossFit or massage, free consultation and adjustment. For real estate agents, provide a list of homes, do a city view, lakefront properties, homes, with backyards for dogs. Some people struggle with down payments, so maybe do a 5% down or FHA. Or, a lot of people that have their own business struggle getting a loan because they're self-employed. That's a good offer. There's tons of different things you can do for gym. Maybe it's a free month trial. You kind of just have to play with it, but you got to have a good offer. And I think that's honestly what makes or breaks your ad. And it's what's going to get people to click. Number three is your conversion mechanism. So if you've got people that are clicking, you've got to have some way to capture, their information or get them to book and sign up with you. My top three would be, a lead form. So within Facebook, you can select to use their lead form and capture people's information right there after they click the ad. And their information is auto-populated since Facebook has all of their information. The other thing that you could do is ClickFunnels, which I really like as well. The only thing I don't like about that is that their information isn't auto-populated. So you have to kind of be careful with that, but it still works. You kind of have to test between Facebook lead forms and ClickFunnels lead forms. Key though is keep them simple. Don't ask for too much information. I noticed when I was originally helping a client with their ads, people were clicking on the ads, but they weren't converting and giving their information, and it was because I had way too many lead form fills for them to fill out. So I simplified. I think I only asked for two things: simplified the headline, and the conversion rates went way up. The other thing is messenger bots. So messenger bots are becoming really popular. You can use those to, as soon as someone clicks, it starts a conversation in Facebook Messenger, which is growing like crazy. And then you have an automated bot that basically, if they're wanting to get a home, it'll, pre-approve them, have them take an automated quiz, and then qualify them. Number four is following up. So you can either call, text, email, use messenger bots like I just said. The key is to call within like the first 15 minutes of getting a lead. You can use Zapier to automate the lead so that they'll come to you as soon as someone submits, and then you can quickly call. So, that can be sent to your email or your phone. I've done it for both ways. It works great. And then dialing into retargeting ads real quick. I know this is getting a little long. So your audiences are cold, right? At first, like the first time someone sees your ad and clicks on it, they're cold, and they're probably not gonna act unless the offer is really good. So what retargeting ads does is you can target people who've clicked on your ad but haven't converted, people who've been on your website but haven't converted or gotten to a certain page, added things to your cart, etc. You add them to your audience retargeting or your retargeting audience, and then basically you can set up an ad targeting those people who clicked on your ad or didn't act, whatever, and now they're warm, right? They clicked on your ad, so they're interested. They know who you are, and you target them as a warm audience. They're much more likely to convert. So really, those are the four things to really generate between 30 and 40 leads a month. You've got to have the right audience, create a good offer, have a conversion mechanism, and then follow-up system. Hope you liked my introduction and my YouTube channel. Please subscribe. I'm going to be updating more or adding more videos to my channel with a wide variety of online advertising how-to videos. So again, yeah, subscribe and like the video.